Now let's take question number 58. If the vertices of an equilateral triangle have integral coordinates, then we have the different options. So let's check the options. Here we have such a triangle is not possible. Yes, this option is correct, because when we have the vertices as integral coordinates, then it is not possible to construct equilateral triangle. That means the first option is the correct answer for this question. Now the answer for this question is option number 1. Now let's move forward to question number 59. Now let's discuss question number 59. This question is related to probability. A box contains 4 cards numbered as 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means we have 4 cards numbered as 1, 2, 3 and 4, and another box contains 4 cards numbered as 1, 4, 9, 16. That means the 4 perfect square numbers. One card is drawn at random from each box. What is the probability of getting the product of the 2 numbers so obtained more than 16? That means we have to select 2 cards from 2 different boxes in such a way that the product of the 2 numbers will be greater than 16. So here we have the total possible outcome and favorable outcomes for this event. The total number of possible outcome is 16 that we obtained when we multiply the number of possible cards from box 1 and number of cards in box 2. That means we have total 16 possible outcomes. Then number of favorable outcomes, here we have 6 possible favorable outcome. So here we can see that we have the collection of all possible number that represent the product of these 2 number is greater than 16. Here we can see that 9 into 2 is greater than 16. Again 2 multiplied by 16 will get 32, which is greater than 16. Similarly, we will get the pair in which the number shows the product is greater than 16. That means we have 6 favorable outcomes. So here we can find the probability of the occurrence of the event PE is equal to favorable outcome divided by total possible outcome, and the total favorable outcome is 6 and all possible outcomes are here 16. That means 3/8 is the correct answer, or you can say the required probability for occurrence of the event. Now let's check the options. Here we can see that third option is the correct answer for this question. That means answer for this question is option number 3. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let's move forward to question number 60. Now let's take last question of math section. Question number 60. The mean of a group of 11 consecutive natural numbers is m. So here we have the mean of 11 consecutive natural number, which is represented by m. Further, what will be the percentage change in the mean when next 6 consecutive natural numbers are included in the group? Here we have to include 6 more consecutive natural number, then we have to find the percentage change in the mean. So here we can find the mean of 11 consecutive numbers. So we are assuming the numbers are n plus 1, n plus 2 up to n plus 10, because we have 11 consecutive natural numbers. So its mean is represented as small m, which is equal to n plus 1, the second number, then we have n plus 2, third number, up to n plus 10. So here we have the 11 consecutive natural numbers. So when divided by 11, we'll get the mean of these numbers, and the mean will be n plus 5. So here we are getting the value of m, which is equal to n plus 5. Now when we add 6 more consecutive number, what will be the new mean? So we are assuming new mean is equal to m dash. So it is calculated as n plus 1, the first 11 numbers up to n plus 10, and further we are adding 6 more consecutive natural number. That means n plus 11, n plus 12 up to n plus 16. So it is divided by 17 because here we have total 17 consecutive natural number. In this condition we are getting the value of new mean is equal to n plus 8. So this is equal to m dash. Now here we have the value of original mean and new mean. Now we have to find the percentage change. So we can calculate the percentage change. The value of mean is equal to m dash minus m divided by the original value of mean multiplied by 100. So when we will put all the values here, we will get n plus 8 minus n plus 5, that is original mean divided by n plus 5 multiplied by 100. So when we further simplify, what will obtain here? In numerator we will get 3 and in denominator we are getting 9 plus 5, which is equal to m. That means 300 divided by m% is the percentage change. So let us check the options. Here we can see that in fourth option we are getting the percentage change 300 divided by m%. That means fourth option is the correct answer for this question. Now the answer for this question is option 4 is the correct answer. So this is the last question of mathematics part. So I hope you understand all the question of mathematics. Now all the best for your result. Now thanks for watching this video.